Do you have an amazing product or service, but you're struggling to articulate why your brand is so fantastic, the best choice, and worth every single penny? Do you find that your business is sometimes caught up in price wars and discounting instead of consistently commanding a premium price? The truth is, if you want your brand to be more successful, you need to invest in your brand strategy because it goes far deeper than merely design or tactical marketing activities. Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. Join me inside my new 6-week complimentary fast injection branding masterclasses to unlock the exact systems and processes used to build standout brands with big brand know-how. This week, we're focusing on brand purpose, the reasons behind why you do what you do, your raison d'etre, the reasons for your brand to exist beyond just making money. Why is brand purpose so critical to your success? Because people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. So when you're clear on your brand purpose, it acts as the overall steering mechanism for the business. The real secret of incorporating brand purpose, though, is that it drives profit growth because your brand purpose and everything that follows it is what attracts the right people, customers and employees alike, those who believe what you believe. To quote Peter Drucker, most people need to feel they are here for a purpose. And unless an organization can connect to this need to leave something behind that makes this a better world, or at least a different one, it won't be successful over time. A recent Edelman's brand share study reveals that 92% of 11,000 customers surveyed in 8 countries want brands to share their purpose more effectively. 40% of customers think brands don't do enough to demonstrate purpose. 90% of millennials and Gen Z actively look to purchase brands with strong brand purpose, and 50% will drop those that don't. When a customer is faced with 2 similar competing products or services, the one with strong brand purpose will win out every time. You see, branding is not marketing or design, but the bedrock foundation supporting and directing your whole business. So your brand purpose is a critical part of the strategy underpinning your business and enabling you to increase your sales. So by the end of this week's Branding Accelerator Masterclass, you'll know how and why brands with strong purpose are more successful and profitable. The 12 whys and hows of brand purpose, how to identify your brand purpose, and 5 key factors of a strong brand purpose. You'll also get my complimentary 20-page brand purpose workbook accompanying this live streaming masterclass, so you're able to implement all these insider tips and get results faster to build your brand and grow your business. It's also your opportunity to pick my brains and leverage over 20 years of award-winning branding expertise, so you're empowered to transform your brand and increase your sales. Click the link for more details and secure your spot now. I look forward to meeting you there.